Oh, sorry. Who wants to pick this up? Jug one. Wait, this way?
This is your left. Look at him, Daddy. He's so cute. We got this new table that's going to be replacing this big one that we don't have room for. Got that video done. And I sold the loft bed that was picked up today finally, and we're going to sell this table as well. So I've got to clear it off and clean it and post it for sale. So I'm going to do that. Piece. Recycling. This is recycling. I think the screws are still in the back of the van. In a baggie, like on the side. In the little like cubby in the back of the van.
That?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even recording the actual table because I'm failing your life. Okay. Actually, this book Aiden's reading, I shouldn't put it somewhere in. I finished reading the book I assigned to you.
I had one chapter.
So the table is cleared off. Gotta clean it and post it for sale. It's got nice sturdy legs. And it's got a couple extra chairs in the backyard we have to clean too.
Ow!
Oh, the thing fell on your toe?
Why is it there?
That's loose. That needs to be fixed.
That's rubbish. Sorry.
What is in here?
Oh, there's a knife.
Knife.
There's a button. There's a couple of things. Oh.
Oh, sure. Let's vacuum in the back of this thing.
Can I grab that? No. That's just that bead is there. It's all stuff.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
That wasn't at the bottom. Okay, that's not coming up.
Okay. Wow.
That's
I'm gonna turn the flashlight on to see all the goodies in there.
Who wants to pick this up?
I'll do it.
Oh. Don't pick up the noodles or french fries. Most of this mom's straw.
Yeah, a whole straw. And it's wrappers though. Alright.
There's a button. A button. There's nails. There's glass. Can't get the glass. Am I just gonna vacuum up all the
Yeah, I'll
toys?
take the sticks. The toys? What toys?
Yeah, that's the toy.
Oh, that's just a broken bubble one.
Oh. There's a lot of food in this side. The cereal was stuck. The red thing is attached to hair, which is stuck. Ooh, there's a fly.
A what?
There's a dead fly.
Okay. Do you want me to get that?
Yeah.
Freeze that.
Get that off.
Wow, they're pretty deep. You think that looks good enough?
Let's vacuum in between.
And then the edge thing.
Number 2. Oh, I got it. Oopsie. Just vacuum in.
And there's some crumbs like along the edge of the bookcase.
Set.
Sure you don't want this part?
Huh?
So you don't want the end part of the nose yet?
I'm picking up the big pieces that are hard to pick up with that. Then I'm going to try to get all these small pieces.
It's for floors, so the brush will make it too much friction for this. That's for like sweeping floors. Well, usually we're standing when we use the vacuum. Oh yeah.
Is this how we put it together? Like, is this how this part attaches?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Sugar. So, Mom.
That's cool.
Woo!
Just like that. Okay, you want to do it. You want to do it. Okay.
It looks cool. Mom.
There you go. This is
so cool.
big. Hello. Just like Easter prep and stuff. The post is just a couple pictures. That's when you got it and put it together. Show me. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Can you go back
Yes, I could.
What?
I could.
You might need a screwdriver, and you need like a Mom.
Yeah?
I think it's called a lens. It's a twisty thing that.
I thought I was recording and I hadn't pressed record. But anyways, this thing pulls and that unlatches that. So that you can open it.
You can open it, then and you stand up. Okay, then.
Close it. There we go.
Oh, that actually closed. Okay. Turn. Wait, you didn't build this.
Mr. Kobe was little.
Yeah, he was in.
Why are we trying to flip it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my big toes.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're going
yeah,
to pull it this way. We pull it far this way.
We're a good team.
Okay, except for going opposite ways. And I
And then
took
we
my
gotta
way as
flip
well
it.
because I got it for that.
Oh.
Holding on to that part.
It's very heavy. It's good.
Oh, shit.
Anyways, I knocked
That's
over a
it.
table, but that's okay.
I didn't say that word, but
No, I'm the one who swore. But because he what?
Oh, this that won't like that.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So
Screwdriver. And
looks like we just need a square.
a square.
A square.
A square.
Are they all the same? Yeah.
Yeah, they're all square. What's this?
Jacoby on the TV.
Oh, I heard Jacoby.
Like,
He wasn't.
what? He's not here. Okay.
I don't know which way's left. This way's left.
This is your left. That makes an L.
I know, but do I turn left up?
Yeah. You turn towards the left. So you turn towards the L.
So I'm drawing an L. I'm going from the top to the bottom.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. That helps. I have a question.
Okay.
How are we gonna get out of these holes?
I don't remember.
Because we can't just put them
Hopefully
in and
hopefully the
screw it.
screwdriver is a little bit magnetic. Usually.
It's not magnetic.
Okay.
Do you have a magnet that's strong enough?
Just, I don't know. Keep unscrewing it and it probably. Well, I think when we take off the legs, they'll just fall out, I guess.
This.
Yeah, so it's fine.
That's a magnet that's supposed to be on the fridge, so I think that's off. This is a lot faster. You're just relaxing.
Yeah.
What?
I want ice cream.
Do we have enough money for that?
I don't know. Let's check. If we get this table apart and the other table built, I think that would.
We could make coffee ice cream.
We've done that before.
But with cold coffee, of course. I want Dairy Queen, but it's expensive. I want iced coffee from Tim Hortons, and I want Dairy Queen. From Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen from Dairy Queen. Not from some other place.
I want cookie dough ice cream from Dairy Queen.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
And I want iced coffee from Tim's.
I'm gonna wipe the table legs now that I'm seeing them up close. I'm like, yeah, there's some spills on
While I
them.
was flipping it, my hands kept getting stuck. It was sticky. Well, they weren't getting stuck. They were getting sticky.
That'd be very sticky.
It's not that strong. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oof. Mom, grab your phone.
Why?
Because it says so.
It's right
You
next
need
to
to take
you.
a picture.
It's recording you.
You need to take a picture.
Okay.
Like the one that we
Oh.
have of us building it.
Oh. Okay.
Over here is where I had a picture of me doing it. Which means we should have another picture of me doing the same thing.
Kobe's not here to do the same thing he was doing. Alright. There.
No, you have to go over me.
Over you.
Yeah, look, it was before.
If that's the same.
Make sure it's recording me and lifting it up. Or
Yes.
trying to lift it up. I want.
You probably can. I just
No,
hold
like,
on a sec.
I don't know if
Oh my gosh.
Are these ones this? Yeah. Okay, all the all is I checked both sides. I'm standing on the table. Oh, I can't get a good angle. Oh, Mom.
Yeah?
This thing holds the screws inside of it. Also, I'm custom. Have a way out. Mom, stand up.
Okay, 1 second.
Can't hold this forever.
Okay, how do I?
You grab this one, then, oh, yeah, that works too. Actually works better. Good job.
I don't know what you would
Take it from me. That's why I was trying to tell you. But instead, you just helped me move it out of the way. And now, lift this very... No, I can't do that. This is going to be on the floor forever.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do that because then I'll have the same fear of Jacoby.
Let me move it out of the way, though. This is going to take a lot of
other table.
Not now. We get a coffee break.
No, I need to build that table. I think it'll be pretty quick.
How?
It's only got 4 legs.
And that only had 1 leg.
Oh,
You
no.
know how long that took? And this has more screws, Mom. Also, we need to get that out of the way.
Okay, maybe if we put it like against the wall over here being held by this, then it won't fall. You know what I mean? Because this is heavy
Yeah, how
enough to
about you
hold
move
it.
that?
Like if we put it right there
Yeah, move that, because I can't get it there.
with this in the way.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Oh. Okay.
This is really heavy.
I can't get
This
my
part is
fingers
harder to
underneath.
pick up. Yeah.
Mom, stop moving it.
Okay.
Oh, that's on my finger.
Okay, how about I get it?
Well, both of us get it. Why is that noise?
This is the latch, I think. Okay, let's roll.
Mom! We keep doing that. Hear that noise?
The noise of failure.
Yeah, because I heard the noise of it not going in.
Okay, that seems good. And then I think there'll be enough room to...
That's not
Yeah. Alright. Okay, we need to get the other table. I don't know what tools we need for that yet.
Mom, there's water spill.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I should move James out of the way. What?
The water bottle was cool too. It was just taken out.
Oh, I see. It's all over the table.
I didn't know that it was on the table. I just knew I stepped in it. And it was cool.
Well, where do you need to wipe that up?
Oh,
This is still pretty heavy too,
not as heavy.
but not as heavy as the other one.
It's just bigger.
Alright, so we gotta lay it
This-
down here.
Mom, don't make it fall.
Okay. Watch your toes, move your toes.
Oh, lift it up so I can move out of the way. I can't move out of the way while I'm holding on to it.
Okay.
Now,
We need the legs and the screws and to figure out what tool we need.
it's a shape that Jacoby knows the name of and not me.
Hexagon?
Yeah, that.
So is it an Allen key reading? You've got a bunch of those in your room, don't you, still? In the drawer? The top drawer of your dresser?
Yeah. I don't know where the one I was using is. Because I was using one and I that one was the best one. These legs are so easy to pick up. And they're cold. When I have a headache, I can just lay on the table.
Yep.
Perfect fix. Oh, it's so much smaller.
I know, right? Like, that is as small as that table gets. And this is the new table. Did I show you the chairs that I'm hoping to get with it?
Yeah.
Do you want to see them?
Show me the...
Have all of you. He's pretending it's a stage.
Sorry, I'm surprised.
I'm proud of you.
Kobe knows more
my
than me. He knows his shapes.
He's watching lots of Brain Candy TV lately, which is really good.
I don't watch that.
I've been learning some stuff from that too.
Yeah, but I don't watch it.
Well,
You want to watch it.
I'm kind of a nerd. I read the Thesaurus before.
You read that?
Well, not exactly the Thesaurus, but a little bit, yeah.
I want to stop learning about those things.
Why?
I learned something today that I learned on TikTok months ago. It was the there, and there thing.
You learned that on TikTok instead of at school?
Yeah.
Okay, no more school, just TikTok now. I'm kidding. You're being so
awesome.
excited.
But like all I needed to figure out was a picture on TikTok. Like, and at school today, they did put the picture on the board, but they talked about a bunch of other words that are spelt different, mean different things, but sound the same.
Synonyms?
Yeah. But apparently we were learning about homophones, so.
Oh, homophones. Okay.
But we already learnt about homophones. And those are about words sounding the same but meaning different things. So, I mean, it's more than one thing. My fingers know what they're doing.
Those things, like, get reviewed, like, all the way through school because people struggle with them, like, forever. Even some adults, so. That's...
Like, I learned it on TikTok so quickly, then, like, school took a whole period to learn it. It's like...
Some things are just made too complicated.
And we had a whole worksheet on it. And she took the picture off the board. Luckily, I already knew it, and I put it in my journal. So whenever I got confused, I just looked at my notes.
Yeah.
It's easy. That's the good thing about notes.
Yeah.
The teacher gets rid of it, just look at it. It's easy to find.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not. There's
Depending how organized your notes are. Yeah.
And I ripped out a bunch of pages, so like I had to find out where the pages were supposed to go and just put them in. So my notebook is not clean.
Do you want me to come over there and help you? I'm just like
No.
behind.
Also, I didn't bring another one.
Okay.
I saw one.
I could
that
like
was
get the screws
same
started
size.
and then you can just finish them with the...
Wait, would that get us quicker to coffee?
Yeah, probably.
I'm going to take out the other two that I need for this leg. Apparently I'm taking out 3.
I don't know what is going on.
I took out 3, so if you only put 3 on that leg, that's fine, because I have.
Ugh. Okay. I have to get over there.
Or you can do
I could
those
just do these
first.
ones. That would make sense. Yeah. See, you're smart. Not that you doubted that. I'm just saying. I was like, There, go over there, and there's some right in front of me. Yeah, because most of it can be screwed in by hand, and then you can just tighten it.
Yeah, that would make it a lot quicker. Especially for this spot. Which I need to do that, because it does not have a wide base over here. Because it has a big thing. I always, when I forget a word, I add Y to the end of it. So, I describe it with a Y at the end. I put a word, add a Y, then I say thingy. It's a description of it. It's a stringy, sticky thing. That wasn't a description of something. I was just saying something.
Just an example.
It's a bad example, but it's the words that came to my mind, so.
I don't want to know what stringy means.
I was thinking of like slime.
Okay.
Then I was thinking of like the spray thing that's really stringy.
I don't know if there's a place to put this or both in it. I don't care. We are still putting
You can be in it if you want, and you can decide if I'm in there or not.
Well, you've been in it a lot already, so hopefully you're okay with that, because you are. Hello.
I'm back. You know what would be a lot easier?
What?
Tightening it is going clockwise, and loosening it is going up. Yeah, the opposite.
Well, whatever helps you. Some people don't remember the way the clock goes. I don't know. But, like, and remember the left and right easier.
But, like, I know my left and right. It's just, like, going to the left but turning under is going right, which is clockwise. But going over, like you're drawing it now, is going counterclockwise, which is loosening it. Like there's two lefts and two rights. What way do you want me to go?
I don't. Do you need more screws? Yeah. Okay. Like I've got 2 more screws here.
Why 2?
Wow. Do you not have enough screws?
I have 1. We're missing 1.
That's not good.
Is it safe?
Okay, I'm hoping there's one over here that just got dropped and didn't get noticed. Okay, I've got 4 screws on here.
I've got 4 screws here.
And 4 screws here. And you've got 4 screws there, and you only have 3 screws for that one.
Only have
That's not good.
3 screws for this side, and we need 4 for each. But until we find it, I can put one on this side, because like this only gives, like that would give enough support in time. Because this part is holding up the whole side.
Well, they all are holding equal amount, so we need to find another screw. Ugh. That is the real life baby. Not the video baby. That stresses me out.
Wow! Foot? Ah!
Hello, little guy. Hi,
Do
baby.
you want help getting to Mommy? Okay, come on.
Hi, little guy.
You get a picture of the table too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay.
I'm sometimes stressed because you're missing a screw. You like the table?
Yeah.
It's a nice table, isn't it?
You like it?
You approve. You approve of the table. Yeah, ketchup bottle's gone. Dinosaurs finally finished the ketchup.
Hopefully with all the other screws, it's still pretty sturdy.
Could also check all the extra screws we have upstairs.
Yeah.
See if one fits. Kids have fun. Keep getting them to say, I'm feed.
He's so cute.
How are you feeling, huh?
My back hurts. You see sister?
Want to show the camera your awesome outfit? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Whoops.
come on. Show the camera.
Go sit with sister so that you can be on camera.
Come. Yeah.
Turn around. Hi, camera.
Say hi, camera. Oh, Mommy sees you in the camera.
Yeah. I see you.
Mommy sees you twice.
There's Jacoby. There's Jacoby. There's sister. There's sister.
Oh, it's empty.
Empty.
This awesome baby helped us last time with
Yeah.
the table. You got Spider-Man shirt. Your turn? Okay.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna put the screwdriver in and tighten
How
it.
about you
These
help
ones
with
have
the
to be
other
tightened
ones?
over
This
here.
one's- Oh, yeah, that's already tightened. It doesn't move anymore.
These ones need to be tightened, Jacoby.
Come on. Can you help with this one? Yeah. Okay, pull it this way. Go. You're so strong. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah. Sister's turn. Okay.
Rah.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
You okay? Yeah. Okay.
Aw.
Do you want to continue helping? Yeah. Okay, let me get in first. I can't get in. No, you're
He's like,
going
I'll
to do
figure
it
it
yourself.
out. I'm gonna put it in.
That's not the table.
Look at him, Daddy. He's so cute.
Good
Tightening it
job.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Nice and tight.
Oh, righty tighty. Can you say righty tighty, lefty loosey? Which way do you have to turn it to loosen it?
That's where you turn
Yep,
it.
which is left or right?
Left.
That's right. Lefty loosey.
Now I wish I bought two of them. Yeah. Yeah, two. Sisters.
You gotta do these ones? Or give sister a turn? These ones aren't done over here. These ones. These ones.
Can I switch them? Baby sauce. I think he'll notice that.
I think. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You sure? Want a hug?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you're still busy.
Oh, yeah.
I think this one.
Baby.
You want the baby one? Hi, sister. Alanky. Sister Alanky, baby Alanky. Okay, one sec.
Now he wants to play with them like the toys.
That's what he does. He makes families out of everything.
I'm kind of building a table. It's the house for Valkyries.
I made a table. Somewhere I have a video of you making a table with Lego, and Aiden was showing me something he built. I don't remember. And then you're like, I made a table, a table, a table.
Table, table.
You like that song?
Are you gonna fix up the leg?
Fix up the leg. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's gone.
That's gone forever. Actually, until it's stuck there until we
No,
flip
we
it
can't
over.
get, yeah. When we turn it upside down, I mean right side up, then it'll be, that's confusing. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
it went
lay
all
down.
the way down. Then when we flip the table over, it will come back out this end. It's called gravity.
Yeah.
Can you say gravity?
Gravity! Gravity, we need your help.
Oh yeah, it could have went that way too.
Hopefully it's comes out.
Not.
I don't know. We do have other Allen keys if we need. Okay.
Can you go
we
get a
can't.
different Allen? One
Are they all?
screwdriver?
Yeah.
It's sharp. Can you get out of my way?
Excuse me is the word for teacher.
No, you go here.
It's like, go get the baby.
He's like, it's not working.
Doesn't fit, right?
Here.
Do Do you think we have any screws like this?
No. Why would anyone have that? Jacoby. But it's big sister, Alex.
We don't want that one to fall in there too, buddy. Just hold on a sec, okay? When everything's tightened, we're going to turn the table over.
We're going to save it.
Turning tables.
And we're going to be heroes, right?
How stable? That one's tightened, right? How stable does it feel? Like pretty tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't really move it? Okay. So it'll be fine then.
All the same, but... Kobe.
Okay.
Actually, it's kind of...
It's the family's
Yeah.
Allen key. But how about you encourage him to only use it on the things? There's a couple loose ones here.
Those still need tightening, bud.
Yeah, that still needs to be tightened.
Tighten it.
Tighten. Is this... What's that? Piece of wood? You gonna use a piece of wood? Okay. Watch your head.
Kobe, careful.
Kobe.
Don't pull her finger off. Okay. Give him a turn on this one. Tell him to turn it to the
Can
right.
you fix that side?
Righty tighty.
No.
Oh, you want to put it up there? No. We can't put it down there. It'll get lost like the baby. We don't want them to get lost.
Kobe.
Can you fix this one? This one needs to be tightened. No.
Kobe, are any of the other ones exposed?
No.
Holes in them?
Just this one.
All the other ones are fixed.
Yeah, it's somewhere in the car. I should probably grab that. I don't know where it is.
No.
You don't want to lose it.
My hand.
Jacoby.
Okay.
We want to get it out.
Jacoby,
Okay.
no thank you.
Sorry, buddy.
Jacoby.
Mine.
Okay.
He's going the right way.
Good job. Righty tighty.
No.
No, try the other ones. Maybe this one. Is this one tight?
Yeah.
Tighten that one.
Why is he so cute? Nobody knows.
Yeah. Do you think they're all tightened now?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kobe, big sister turn.
Okay.
What?
I eat.
You recording?
Yeah. Yeah. Beep beep.
Is it a car?
Yeah. Beep beep. I. Beep beep beep. Abby.
You dancing? Trying to dance with your sister? Dance, dance, dance.
Did you see that?
You went higher than me. No, he's not happy. Down. It doesn't want to go back up there. Are you tightening it some more?
Excuse
Okay.
me. Coffee break.
He's so cute.
Good
Tightening
job.
it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Nice and tight.
Oh, righty tighty. Can you say righty tighty, lefty loosey?
I.